this pattern by DCP party to try and drag my name. And they are not dragging my name. They are not saying that I'm causing violence in Kisii or Marsabit or Mombasa. Every time it's about Mount Kenya region. Every time the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua is addressing me, it is about Mount Kenya region. And for me that is sad, because I'm a Kenyan and I'm a national leader. I've been a member of parliament, although elected in Gatundu South, but for the whole country. I've been a minister, cabinet minister for the whole country. I've been a presidential advisor for matters concerning the whole country. So I don't want to be dragged into that parochial, narrow, tribal prism of looking at me from the lenses of my tribe or where I come from. For me, I refuse that. That is a path I have chosen for myself. I have been on that path of tribalism before. I don't want to be popular. If somebody wants to support me because I am ethnic and I'm tribal, do not support me. Do not vote for me. I have condemned tribalism in the strongest terms possible, and that ethnic prism of looking at things. Why? Because I am a father, and I don't want to imagine that the country that I'm going to bequeath upon my children is a country where they are going to defend themselves on the basis of tribe.